Hey guys, Jason Hill here, and today we're gonna make one of my favorite snack items. It's called the Bikini Sandwich. It's an authentic Spanish sandwich. It uses Manchego cheese, cured dried Spanish ham, and a little truffle oil, and it's super good, super easy. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 slices of white bread, spread it around with Kerrygold butter, which is a great Irish butter. Super flavorful, super creamy. So now we're gonna lay our cured Spanish ham on the bread. It's almost like a prosciutto, but it's not Italian, it's Spanish. Now, the Manchego cheese. Want to get a nice coat on there. Kind of pack it on. Now we're ready to grill. Okay, we're gonna lay sandwich down. The butter bread on top. We're gonna get our little panini press. And it's only gonna take about a minute. Okay, after a couple of minutes, we're gonna remove our panini press. Yeah, it's got a couple of grill marks on there. And it is traditionally really a flat sandwich. All right, it's time to eat. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of truffle oil, brush it on both sides. All right, lastly, a little bit of truffle powder. Give it a little dusting from the heavens, and you're ready to eat this yummy bikini sandwich. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on this authentic Spanish bikini sandwich. We go to this restaurant in Orange County called Vaca, and this is one of our go-to items to order. Take a bite. Oh yeah. Try this recipe. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for tuning in.